Good morning. Let us start the class. Let your friends come and join. In the last class, we studied about the price and output determination under monopoly. For simple monopoly, we have studied the price and output determination. In this class, we are going to study the discriminating monopoly and another model called species model, that is kinked demand curve. These two concepts today we are going to discuss. Let us start with the discriminating monopoly. Under this particular thing, the market is divided into two submarkets, market X and market Y, because he is charging different price in these two markets. In order to explain that particular discrimination clearly, we have divided this market into two, X and Y. The average revenue curve are different for both the markets, and I have given figure A and figure B for market X and market Y. The respective average revenue curve will be ARX and ARY. Similarly, for marginal revenue, it is MRX and MRY. Shall you see the diagram? So this is figure A represents the simple monopoly for market A. Figure B is simple monopoly for market Y. Suppose the average revenue and margin revenue is represented in ARX and MRX for market A, ARY and MRY for market B. If that is the case, when we add the marginal revenue of both the markets, MRX plus MRY, we can get the combined marginal revenue. So if we plot the marginal revenue of both markets in a particular diagram in figure C, then you can see there is an intersection of MR1, MRX and MRY. So what we have to take, the upper part of the combined revenue only we have to take. That is why that particular marginal revenue curve is lying above the both the marginal revenue curve. The dark bold line represents the combined marginal revenue. As far as the discriminating monopoly is concerned, irrespective of number of markets, he always have an abnormal profit because he is a price maker. He never incur a loss because he is the only one seller, and he will always fix a higher price. The point at which, that is E, is a point at which the MC is intersecting the MR from below. At that point, equilibrium will be there. That dark bold line represents the discriminating monopoly price and output determination. So in simple, if you take only the figure A, then it is called a simple monopoly. When there are more submarkets and we combined those market and revenue is added, then it is called combined marginal revenue. That combined marginal revenue represents the discriminating monopolies price determination. So this question rarely asking, they always ask only the simple monopoly. Suppose if they ask the discriminating monopoly also, then we have to explain the simple monopoly and then have two submarkets and add it. And if you represent the combined marginal revenue, that is called discriminating monopoly. Now let us move to the next competition called oligopoly competition. Even a discriminating monopoly, instead of one seller for two different market, there are two different sellers, then it is not monopoly, it will become a simple oligopoly. So the same thing it may happen. So instead of market X is handled by a person A and market Y is handled by another seller, then it is not monopoly, it becomes oligopoly. Oligopoly means few sellers and large buyers. So these are the features of oligopoly. There will be a few sellers. Those sellers are really a large firm. And second one, the interdependence upon the firm, because there is a price leadership. Out of the few, one will design the price, the other will follow that price. That is why a unique concept called price leadership. The third one, these large firms will combine and they will have a mutual cooperation and then they will run a market. For example, in India, if you take biscuit, that is considered to be the oligopoly. Any electronic gadget, it's a oligopoly because maximum of 10 sellers will manufacturer will be there. So those market are called oligopoly market only. Here, the advertisement cost is included. Definitely, the quality of the product or awareness about the product made through the advertisement media only. Then, nature of product, it may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous market means a particular product. Heterogeneous, always the oligopoly have the heterogeneous. As on this date, it has both homogeneous as well as heterogeneous. Maximum heterogeneous, homogeneous product is very rare phenomenon, but the oligopoly allows homogeneous products also. Only one product they dealt with that, then it is called homogeneous market. The finally, an important unique feature of oligopoly is price rigidity. In a particular position, there will be no change in price. That is called price rigidity. This has been explained as a Sweezy model. Otherwise, it is called kinked demand curve. Consider there are two markets, okay? Market 1 and market 2. Likewise, that is a marginal revenue curve for the first market and marginal revenue for the second market. When we combine these two markets, suppose both are a different person, then the marginal revenue curve will have a kink. The first one, MR, is going straight. The second market has a MR1. So when we have that particular phase at the level of OM, level of output, there will be a kink. Kink means a break. MR curve will be MRK, KL, and LMR1. This is called, that difference between K and L, we used to call it as price rigidity. This DP-D1 is called demand curve. That demand curve is have a bend with a concave this side. Not if you see the discriminating monopoly, the marginal revenue curve is having the acute angle. Here it is a what is a wide range of, because it is in the third quarter. So DP-PD1 is called demand curve for the oligopoly. It has a bend. That bend we used to call it as kinked demand curve. This is a confirmed question. Who have given this? Professor Paul Sweezy. This is a simple oligopoly which is having two different market. The marginal revenue of these two is drawn in a particular diagram. There will be a bend in the demand curve. Due to that bend, we have a price rigidity called KL. You can see that KL. This is called kinked demand curve. This particular question is definite. Suppose if they ask about the price rigidity also, the answer is the same. With this, I'm completing the task. I will share this particular PPT complete in your classwork and submit to me. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. In case of discriminating monopoly, there will be two different market, but the seller is the same. So the demand curve will be bend மேல இருக்கும். நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த டார்க் லைனை பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த பக்கமா பெண்ட் இருக்கு. இது டிஸ்கிரிமினேட்டிங் மோனோபோலி. அதே ரெண்டு மார்க்கெட்டு வேற ரெண்டு பேர் கையில இருக்கும்போது டிமாண்ட் கர்வ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பக்கம் பெண்ட் இருக்கும். அதனால என்ன ஆகுது? மார்ஜினல் ரெவன்யூ கர்வ்ல ஒரு ரிஜிடிட்டி வருது. KL, அதுதான் பிரைஸ் ரிஜிடிட்டி. பிரைஸ் ரிஜிடிட்டி கேட்டாலும், கிங்க்டு டிமாண்ட் கர்வ்னு கேட்டாலும், ஸ்வீசி மாடல்னு கேட்டாலும், சிம்பிள் ஒலிகோபோலின்னு கேட்டாலும், எந்த கேள்வி கேட்டாலும் ஆன்சர் இதுதான். அவங்க கேட்கும்போது வேற வேற மாதிரி கேட்பாங்க. ஐ வில் ரிப்பீட் அகைன். எக்ஸ்பிளைன் சிம்பிள் ஒலிகோபோலின்னு கேட்டாலும், எக்ஸ்பிளைன் த கிங்க்டு டிமாண்ட் கர்வ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டாலும், எக்ஸ்பிளைன் த ஸ்வீசி மாடல் அப்படின்னு கேட்டாலும், பிரேக் இன் த மார்ஜினல் ரெவன்யூன்னு கேட்டாலும், எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஆன்சர் இதுதான். I will share this PPT to you, write in the classwork and submit. better to write in paper and take the photo and upload to me.